Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And I don't know if I should be calling you guys the stock gang as an intro. I don't know. That's just one of the ideas that came off the top of my head. But let me know what you guys think below in the comment section below. What should I use for my intros? Welcome team. That's kind of generic. Stock gang. I don't know. Or should I just keep it how it is? Welcome everyone. You know what? I'll just get into the video because that's what you guys are waiting for. And if you guys want to know, I'm making some big moves with my portfolio. Potential profit of around $60 within the next 2 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks, actually. And this isn't some BS stuff that I probably won't do. This is some legit stuff that I'm actually planning forth and actually putting the time to invest in. So make sure to stay till the end because I'll be mentioning that near the end of the video. But right now, I'm going to be discussing the other things that are going on in my portfolio and some other plans that I actually have with my cash available to buy. But before I get into it, and only I will get into it if you guys smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. If you guys didn't smash that like button, then you have no right to watch the rest of the video. Okay, that was a joke if you guys didn't get it, but I would really appreciate it, you know. But getting into the video, and you should have smashed that like button right by now, right? And if you didn't, please do. And the real part that I was going to talk about in this video is, as you guys can see, I'm holding 2 free stocks right here. I hate how Robinhood makes it look like your portfolio is down like a massive amount because the charts are not proportional, at least in the dailies. It just looks like, I mean, I just look at my portfolio, I'm like, oh man, today's a pretty big red day. You guys probably think so too. But you look at it and I lost 0.09%. I lost 16 cents and then made 4 cents back. So I'm down about 10 cents, which is super tragic, right? So that's basically just for me holding these free stocks right here. The plans that I have with these bad boys right here. And thanks for using the code to sign up. If you guys haven't yet signed up for Robinhood, they offer a free stock if you use a link like I have below in the description. Feel free to sign up. You and I both get a free stock similar to these that I have right here. So AK Steel right here. It dipped down a lot, and I think it has a potential to at least have one more minor bounce, maybe a few cents up, like 10, 15 cents up. Then I'll sell the stock, but no biggie if I even miss that opportunity because that's just a few cents. But also with Chesapeake Energy right here, as you guys can see, it's just climbing up and up and up. So I'm planning to actually hold this one for like the next few weeks, and there's no harm in doing so because I won't desperately need that $3 in cash. At least I think so. But on the other hand, I was just watching Tesla. Tesla is like a stock that I kind of simulation trade. It's a really good stock, I say, because it has a lot of volume, has new technology, and I'm not super good with fundamentals. I mean, at least I don't study them that much. But with the technical charts on Tesla, I am loving them. I am freaking loving them. So looking at the charts, I mean, you can't really look because I do like a 2-year standpoint right here. But still, we'll try our best with the Robinhood charts. As you guys can see, when Tesla dips down, and it did this previously, it usually dips down to like the around area of 250 or 255. And right now it's getting really close to that. And throughout the day today, it hit around 259. So that would have been an extremely good buying point right now if you bought it at the low of the day, which was around, all right here it says 258.60. So that would have been a really good place to buy. And of course, I doubt it that you bought there because it was there for like half a second. But if you did, congrats to you. But this is just my opinion. Like I always say, I just share my opinion. Tesla right here, looking to make a big bounce soon. Probably to around the $340 area and possibly $350 area. So expect like $100 boom on Tesla. Pretty soon, and it's probably going to be during their earnings, which is April 24th, if we can check that right here. So, yeah, that's just my opinions on Tesla, looking really fire. But to the actual part that you guys care about, right? You guys only care about the actual stocks I'm trading. I mean, is that true? Or do you guys just, you know what? Forget I said that. That sounds kind of weird, but yeah, just getting into you guys. Tesla's a great stock. You guys is also a great one. Looking at you guys right here, we can see that you guys is down like an all-time low. I mean, 52-week low, I think. Yeah, today hit like a 52-week low, and that's crazy for this stock. And looking at the natural gas charts, and if you guys don't know, you guys and natural gas are like directly correlated, except you guys is an ETF that decays over time. But just looking at the charts, natural gas is looking like it just hit the support. All we're waiting for is a slight bounce up, so we know that it's actually heading the upwards direction, because we don't want to buy a stock that keeps going down and down and down and down and down in value. Isn't that correct? So we're going to wait until it starts showing some signs of a reversal, and then from there, we can decide to buy. And I'm hoping that time is going to be tomorrow, and I'm 99% sure it is going to be tomorrow. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'm 90% sure I'm going to buy probably around 6 shares, my full portfolio, all I can afford, into you guys. And the amount of profits on this, thanks for asking. They're going to be around $10 per share, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Looking at the charts right here, you can see that last time I had a bounce, which I think it could definitely bounce back to the spot where it was before. And even if it doesn't, if it goes up to like $5-6, that's still a massive gain. But let's say it goes up to $36. That's around a $10 profit on each stock times 6 stocks that I'm buying right now. Bam, bam, bam. We got $60 profit. Think about how that would affect the portfolio. Yeah, that's right. It would be at around $236, which is absolutely crazy. So, yeah, that's what we're working on this week, especially tomorrow, looking to buy some you guys shares. It's looking pretty hot. I think it looks pretty good. If you guys have different opinions about it, let me know in the comment section below. I read every single one of them, so let me know if you guys want to do that. So, yeah. Any last questions? Anything? No? Okay, thanks for asking. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.